DWI D10 4-channel quadcopter drone. This is a very inexpensive drone, very affordable. I got this because I wanted something with some lights, and I don't have anything like that, so I got this guy, and I haven't opened it yet, it's still sealed. There's the seal right there. But yeah, let's see what this looks like, and then we'll charge it up and see how it flies and what it looks like when the lights are on. So let's see that it's got some info on the front of the box. Let's see here: altitude hold, high, low, and medium speed settings. One key, takeoff and landing, rotation, headless mode, flashing LED lights. So that's, we'll see if that drone does what it says. Side of the box. There's the brand, the model. I got this from Amazon, and I don't remember the exact price, but I think it was like $30, $35 at most. And I got the green one, which is like a high vis green, and on this side of the box it shows that they make a 40p and a 720p version of this quadcopter. I don't think the one I got has a camera on it, but it looks like it may have something on top. I don't know, we'll find out. So let's open this up and see what it looks like inside as we go. So I'm gonna set you guys down. Or you know what? Let me cut the tape. Show you guys. Okay. Again, I got this on Amazon. It was like $35 at most. And see what it looks like. Nice and green. The packaging for this thing, it's pretty cool. It looks like it would survive some pretty serious shipping. So we got owner's manual. And cool. 2 batteries, some propellers, charging cord. Awesome. Okay. Ooh. Real light. I don't know if that's a light or what, but it's cool. A little switch for on and off. That's where the battery goes. I'm trying to find lights on this thing, I just don't see them. Interesting. And there's the remote. Let's see what kind of, show you guys the buttons. This must be all trim, and those must be the buttons to control all this right here. on and off button. And battery location. I looked through the manual and there is some pretty good info in here. And I suggest you definitely read the manual before you fly any drone. But here's some pretty good info as far as like battery. It's a 850 milliamp battery, 3.7 volt, and it is a LiPo battery. That's very nice. So charging time, it says 80 to 100 minutes depending on how low the battery is. And the manual is it's written very well, easy to understand, and I would, like I said, I would definitely read this before you fly it. A lot of good info in here. So we're waiting for the battery to charge, and yeah, we'll be right back. So I'm not gonna wait. I just put the other battery pack on here. This is the one that came in the bag without a charge. And let's turn this thing on. There's a little switch there. Wow, nice. Very nice. So what they want you to do is up, down, and that's paired with the remote, and then down and to the right, and that's calibrated. Okay. I'm gonna move you guys this way. Try to adjust it and see how it does. Again, this is a battery that hasn't been charged, so we'll see how it does. Cool. You can turn the lights on and off. There's a button on the remote. I like it. So there's a button to take off. Let's see if that works. Oh wow. This is nice. I like it. Hopefully you guys can see it. This is very smooth. I think the bigger a drone gets, the smoother it is to fly around. Oh, this thing is so cool. It's gonna look great at night. So it's got 3 different modes: a beginner, a advanced, and an expert. And so right now it's on a beginner. I pushed once and it definitely moves a lot faster around. That's advanced or pro, or the third mode, which is the fastest one. And yeah, it's very fast. Man, I am very, very happy with this thing. This thing not only looks good, but is very smooth. It does need to be trimmed. So let me see if I can trim it a little bit. There we go. Oh yeah. Yes. Very nice. Oh yeah. This thing is so cool. I hope you guys can see what it's doing and the lights. I am very happy. And it also does stunts. If you read through the manual, it'll show you how to do them all. Oh wow. Wow. Let me land this back down. And raise the camera a little higher so you guys can see how good of a flip this thing does. This thing has a lot of power. I am surprised. Very surprised. And for the money, I mean, you can't beat it. So, let's try this again. Hopefully you guys can see a little better. So we're going to try doing a flip. Wow! I'm not sure if you guys caught that. Try it again. That is so cool. So that was a forward flip. Okay, I'm going to try a side flip. Oh. As you saw, I hit the wall. So let me go get that thing. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it back. So let's try this again. I'll try one more flip for you guys and show you guys. So here we go. Just gonna put some trim on it so it's not moving around so much. I love that it's got guards for the propellers. You can bump into the wall, you don't have to worry about scratching or it hitting the floor right away. It has a chance to maybe recover. So there we go. I'm going to hit the stunt button. There we go. Stunt button. Forward. That was very cool. Stunt button. Backwards. Awesome. See here. Stunt button. Forward. Very cool. The battery seems to be 9. Blinking pretty hard now. It's all red. So I'm guessing that's just a lower battery mode. So let me land this thing. And the lights seem to be in the plastic. So there's a lot of them. And where I think if you buy a different model of this, and maybe the camera's there, but on this model, it's only a light. Battery is just a little warm. You turn it off. I am very happy. I definitely recommend this to anyone. This company did a good job. How it flies outside, I don't know. But it feels like it's got the power to maybe fly around outside. Am I going to take it out there eventually in the summer? But not right now. I'm in Illinois, so it's winter, and I'm not going out there. So if you guys see this drone online, if you see this on Amazon, give it a chance. It's a great little drone. It's actually pretty big, and it looks nice. Here's a micro. I mean, it's a decent size. Size of my hand. So, props to you guys. You guys did a good job. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.